Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to put TikTok sounds in Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. After getting into the app, click on Edit Project. Then select a random video from your gallery. After adding the video, click to play it, then cut it in half. Then delete the rest of the parts of the video and tap on the part you cut from the video. Tap on it and click on the sounds icon from the editing bar. You can sign in with TikTok to add TikTok sounds on your video. So click to sign in with TikTok. Then tap to authorize and allow Capcut to access your TikTok account. After that, choose your birthday and tap to confirm. Now you scroll down in the TikTok homepage, then click on any music icon from the bottom corner of the video. Then click to add the sound in favorites. After that, get back to Capcut and tap on sound icon, and you can see the TikTok song or sound you added into your favorites. Now you can use that sound for your video. You can also choose different sounds from TikTok, add them into your favorites and use them in Capcut. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.